How good an actor are you? Have you been acting really well when you go to your relative's place, when people ask you when you're getting married, when you're having kids, when you're achieving the next goal in life? Welcome to part 9 of my storytelling series, where I am talking about acting. Acting is also storytelling. Storytelling is also acting, which means along with voice modulation, expressions also matter. The better you can show your emotions, the better people can judge your emotions from your face, the better your story will sound. Remember when you go to movies and you come out praising an actor because they've done such a fantastic job of acting in it, how well they carried the movie and how realistic it felt. The closer they make it feel to the real story is possible is when you connect with the actor the most, when you connect with the story the most, when you connect with the movie the most. That is the power of acting in storytelling.